अंबिका चिकन फूड अँड हेल्थ शोच्या या निमण्या एपिसोडाक तुमच्या मोगा खातीरच आमी सगळे एपिसोड घेवन येवपाक शकले. दिस प्रोग्राम वॉज ब्रॉट टू यू बाय ऑर्किड लर्निंग सेंटर बोर्डा मडगांव in association with Chaugule Center for Applied and Professional Studies Madgaon and sponsored by Ambika Chicken, your one-stop shop for the fresh and tender chicken. इष्टांनो, आयच्या आमच्या कार्यावळीत ऑर्किड लर्निंग सेंटराच्यो डायरेक्टर मिसेस टिंपल उडकी संवाद साधतले डॉक्टर अग्निता कामत हांचे कडेन. शी इज अ स्किन स्पेशलिस्ट प्रॅक्टिसिंग विथ मदर केअर हॉस्पिटल मडगांव. आयच्या कार्यावळीचो विषय आसा स्किन आणि डायट. एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स अ ग्लोईंग ब्युटिफुल स्किन, बट वॉट इज द सिक्रेट बिहाइंड इट विल लेट यू नो सून.
Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Today we are going to discuss a very common skin condition which affects majority of the teenager, especially during their puberty, that is acne. डॉक्टर एक्ने हो शब्द सगळ्यां खातीर खूब वळखीचो आसा आनी प्रत्येक जाण हातूंतल्यान ह्या कंडिशनांतल्यान सफर जाल्लीं आसता, स्पेशली ड्युरींग देयर टीनेज. सो आमकां एक्ने कशें कॉज जाता, वॉट आर द मेन कॉजीस ऑफ एक्ने हें मातशें सांगतात?
There are many causes of acne, but जी मेन 4 कारणां आसात ती हांव सांगता. एक म्हळ्यार एज, द मोस्ट कॉमन एज आनी वो अनअवॉयडेबल अशें कारण. सेकंडली जेंडर, चड फिमेल्स आनी हे एक्ने आमकां मेळटा, बट कितें आसा की मोर सिवियर डिजीज इज सीन इन द मेल्स, बट आज काल आमकां मेल्सूय तितलेच प्रमाणान केसीस येतात. येस. थर्ड कारण म्हणजे एनवायरमेंटल, ह्युमिड एरियाज आनी ऑयल सिक्रेशन ऑफ द फेस इज मोर, सो ह्या जाग्यांनी चड प्रमाणान मेळटा. देन द ड्राय एंड द कोल्डर एरियाज. थर्ड इज हेरिडिटरी, आवय बापायनी जर आसलें जाल्यार मोर कॉमनली दे गिव इट टू द चिल्ड्रन. येस, चान्सीस चड आसता. प्लस द सिवियरिटी इज ऑल्सो मोर वेन बोथ द पेरंट्स सफर. फोर्थ वन इज द हॉर्मोनल लायक नॉर्मल फिजियोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसीस, मेन्स्ट्रुएशन नाजाल्यार प्रेग्नन्सी, हातूंत जेन्ना हॉर्मोनल अप एंड डावन जाता तेन्ना आमकां चड प्रमाणान एक्ने सांपडटा.
What is the age group which is affected?
Nowadays there is no particular age group as such, but जेन्ना pubertal spurt जाता म्हणजे 12 to 14 years of age ह्या एजीत ते स्टार्ट जाता, but it can go up to any age. Usually the book says 35, but I have seen up to 45. 45 is the age, oldest patient that I have seen. And it can go up to 60 also. There are cases reported up to 60. New acne or flare-ups up to the age मेळटा.
Okay. So doctor, do you think it is related to the hygiene? म्हणजे हात नीट धुवप ना आणि this bacteria हातापासून आमच्या तोंडाकडे पावतात, नीट तोंड धुवप ना. So is it one of the cause of acne?
Of course it is, but I can't say it causes, but it leads to flare-up. म्हळ्यार सर एक पेशंट आसा जाका एक्ने आसा, ही इज हॅविंग पुअर हायजीन, तोंड धुयना, भायर वता, धूळ बसता, आनी चड अशा काळान हातूंत ताणें पुअर हायजीन मेंटेन केली जाल्यार ताका चड प्रमाणान एक्ने
चान्सीस येवपाचे,
फ्लेअर-अप चड आसूं शकता, ब्रेकआउट चड आसूं शकता, सो ताका चड सांगता. Poor hygiene doesn't cause acne. It just leads to flare-ups. Yes.
Puberty जशी सेट जाता तेन्ना ती येतात आणि वतात अशें म्हणटात. So what time we need doctor's intervention?
Doctor's intervention according to me has to be nowadays at very earliest. Because कितें जाता ना, जेन्ना आमी पेशंटाक अर्ली एक्ने म्हणजे कमी आसतना, हांगा 2-3 आसतना पळयतात, तेन्ना द ट्रीटमेंट ऑल्सो बिकम्स easy. It becomes easy for the patient also, and secondly आमी complications prevent करू शकता. आतां एक्नेची इतली complications आसात, scars, so ते prevent करपाक we need to see them early. Some patients come at a later stage, मागीर ते abscessan वतात, nodular acne जाता, so that needs heavier treatment also. Plus psychologically, economically very burdening to the patient. So I would say earliest is better.
So what is the line of treatment for these patients?
Line of treatment varies depending upon the grades. There are 4 grades. So what happens is when the acne is initially, then we start on creams, the tubes or tablets. Retinoids is the most commonly used drug in this. There are treatment ranging from lasers, chemical peels, derma rollers, which are to be used at various stages. Initially, we start with an antibiotic, the tubes and the tablet, and it improves. Nowadays, the treatment available is the best method. It's not like olden days where the acne was considered non-treatable or it is supposed to be part of the life. Nowadays, it's not like that. We can treat it and it is completely curable.
Any food which are related to the acne flare-up?
There are certain foods that can be avoided. Like I would say, high glycemic index foods. Now, कितें जाता की high glycemic index फूडान insulin hyperinsulinemia जाता, म्हणजे insulin बॉडीचें वाडटा. So अशा कारणान inflammation चड जाता. Inflammation is a major part of the acne. The high glycemic index foods are the ones to be avoided. कित्याक म्हळ्यार तांच्या खातीर hyperinsulinemia जाता. Hyperinsulinemia causes inflammation and ताच्या खातीर acne flare up वता or severe grade वता. It pushes the acne down the line. Now the only exception to this high glycemic index food is the milk or the dairy product, milk, ice creams. These are low glycemic index food but are found to be increasing the flares up and the breakout cycles.
Okay.
The second food I would say is processed foods, the canned ones. Most commonly Western diet and processed foods are
Burgers, pizzas.
Burgers, yes, correct.
All canned foods.
Canned foods. So canned foods there are more of omega-6 fatty acids. Now, these omega-6 fatty acids are pro-inflammatory. म्हणजे ते तांचे certain factors release जाता which pushes the inflammatory cycle into the trigger. So inflammation जातवर acne usually part. Third food is the oily foods, vegetable oil, so for the similar reason, should be avoided.
And high sugary food, what about the food which are very high in sugar and salt content?
Yes, to be avoided because similar reason hyperinsulinemia वाढली की inflammation वाढता. Plus the bacteria propionibacterium thrives on this.
Yes.
So
It is a food for them.
Yeah. So what happens is the acne numbers, the number of the blobs on the face also will increase.
Yes.
So for that reason, can all these foods avoided.
So, doctor, any particular food which we should have in more amounts in our regular diet?
Yes. The foods like fresh fruits, unprocessed fresh fruits, vegetables, lean meats, fish and seafood are to be included more. Now, the foods which are also rich in zinc, selenium like chicken or spinach, these are also very good for the skin or the acne patients to maintain a healthy skin. Thirdly, I would talk about omega-3 fatty acid foods. Now, these foods are beneficial as they reduce inflammation, they reduce certain insulin-like growth factors, which increases the keratinization. Now, keratinization म्हणजे the production of the cells. आमच्या जे glands असतात तातून cells वाढल्या कारणान कोमेडॉन्स येतात. So, omega-3 fatty acids prevents this. Now, omega-3 fatty acid food म्हळ्यार मी non-vegetarians खातीर fish आमी गोंयान राविल्ल्यान आमकां mackerel, sardines easily available जाता. That is the best source of omega-3. Secondly, seafood also and fish oils. These are for non-vegetarian. Vegetarian soya bean is a very rich source of omega-3, walnuts and also flax seeds. Third food I would like to add would be antioxidants. The foods which are rich in vitamin A and vitamin E. Vitamin A is like pumpkins, mangoes. This season has a lot of mangoes. So mangoes, carrots,
Bright vegetables.
green leafy vegetables, even bell peppers for that matter. Vitamin E would be liver. Spinach is another source. So this can be included more.
One very important question, doctor. A person with acne, does his confidence goes down if he has a flare-up?
Very much. It ranges. Psychological effect आजकाल खूप जाता भुरग्यांनी मेळटा आमकां. It ranges from anxiety to poor body image to major depression. So आजकाल अशें जालां की पयलींच येतकच we have to psychologically counsel the
Yes.
patients. So खूप psychologically and social media and here and everybody wants a good image.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of issues with the psychological and the acne part of it.
So does exercising or meditation helps these patients?
Yes, it helps. Exercise doesn't help directly, but aerobic activity and meditation of course reduces stress. So aerobic activity केल्यान तुजो insulin resistance कमी जाता and it indirectly benefits. Not direct effect but indirect.
Doctor, thank you so much for your information about this acne. Acne is a natural process, it's a part of growing. Don't worry about it. Eat a healthy food, maintain a healthy diet, keep your hygiene and consult your doctor at the earliest. So we'll take a break and after the break we'll come up with the 2 skin friendly recipes.
सब तैयार है ना? मिस्टर एंड मिसेस खोटे आने वाले हैं।
भूल गई ना भाभी?
आइए आइए।
अब इतनी जल्दी क्या बनाओगी?
चिकन। अंबिका पेश करते हैं स्वादिष्ट रेडी टू फ्राई चिकन नगेट्स, चिकन पॉपकॉर्न, चिकन सलामी, चिकन गार्लिक फिंगर्स, चिकन चीज एंड अनियंस और बहुत कुछ। बस फ्राई किया, सर्व किया, मिनटों में हो गया। अंबिका रेडी टू फ्राई प्रोडक्ट्स, बनाने में इजी, खाने को सब क्रेजी।
Multimedia, filmmaking and animation courses at Chogle College, Margao.
New BVOC programs in IT-enabled enterprise resource planning.
Skill-based courses in food production, hospitality, aviation, beauty and nutrition.
Visit www.chogles.ac.in or ccaps.in.
Deepa's Beauty Spa and Saloon, Khatpaban, Ponda. We undertake all types of bridal makeup and hairstyles. We are specialized in haircuts, hair treatments and all types of skin treatments. Personalized care. Come, experience the difference.
Ganesh.com, shop number G5, Paradise Apartments near St. Joseph High School, Akhem, Margao, Goa. Be it your birthdays, parties, weddings or corporate events, we provide the latest designs and prompt printing services. Ganesh.com, we provide quality.
Ayushri, an Ayurvedic health destination, Akhem, Margao. Experience a heightened sense of relaxation and rejuvenation through Ayurvedic spa treatment inspired by ancient tradition. Come to Ayushri and melt your stress. You deserve to feel this good. Rainbow Collections, 388 Ashok Building, first floor, next to Bank of India, Jos Loyola Road, Margao. Visit us for wide range of home furnishing products ranging from bed sheets, curtains, towels, kitchen linen and add-on products to make your home look at its best. A wide range of furnishing products available at discounted rates.
Ajit Jewelers, purity and trust since 1973. We make all types of traditional designs and temple jewelry designs. 100% genuine 916 BIS Hallmark jewelry. We also undertake repair works. Ajit Jewelers, shop number C5, Pancharatna Complex, behind Borkar Superstore, Margao.
mackerel and beetroot tiny bites. Mackerel, as you said, is a very high source of omega-3 fatty acid. गोयन बांगडा 12 महिने मेळटा.
Fresh मेळटा.
Fresh मेळटा.
More important.
आणि beetroot is also very good for skin.
Yes.
So we are using beetroot and mackerel combination, and let us see what are the ingredients. The two mackerels I have boiled it with salt and haldi powder, and my time सगळे bone separate करून घेतला. 1 medium onion chop, 1 medium tomato chop. This is a beetroot puree. I have boiled 1 beetroot in water and the barik katrun मागे त्याची puree करून घेतली. These are some of the bread crumbs, handful of coriander leaves, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, salt to taste, around 3 to 4 green chilies finely chopped, 1 medium lemon, juice of 1 medium lemon, half a teaspoon of haldi powder, some oil for sauteing the onions. So now let us start making this dish. So we are adding an onion, chopped onion. Saute the onion till it becomes nice and translucent. Now let us add green chilies and our ginger garlic paste. So we add the tomatoes now. Let us cover this and cook it for some time. Now doctor, one more question I would like to ask you. Is stress the main reason to cause acne?
Yes. Nowadays, who doesn't have stress? We've seen young children also taking stress with exams, with their daily routine. Stress is mainly positive also and can lead to hormonal imbalances also. And तातूंतल्यानूय तांकां acne breakouts. We see it at much earlier age. पयलींतल्या एजीर young children जायना आशिल्ले. Now we see much earlier age also.
And what about the women with PCOD?
PCOD main problem at we see majority of the women coming out with acne. We see association of PCOD. PCOD means polycystic ovarian disease or syndrome. Now हातूंत कितें जाता तांचे ovaries cysts जातात which produces hormones in excess and तातूंतल्यान तांकां certain imbalance जावन certain different symptoms जाता. One of the major symptoms is acne in that. Hirsutism म्हणजे तोंडार केंस येवप, obesity, main association of PCOD. So as a dermatologist also or skin specialist also, if we see a patient with all these features, we need to investigate. And now the treatment line also, tablets. So we're changing to hormonal line of treatment also for these specific patients. They need to be diagnosed early. तांची एक्ने व्हेरी रिफ्रॅक्टरी आसता म्हणजे इजिली कंट्रोलान येना परत परत ब्रेकआउट जाता डिप्रेशन चड प्रमाणान ह्या बायलांनी आमकां आसता मेळटा सो PCOD इज अ मेजर कन्सर्न विथ एक्ने नाव अ डेज मोस्ट कॉमनली कितें जाता ते पयलीं आमचे कडेन येतात बिकॉज इट्स एक्ने इज अ फर्स्ट एंड द अर्लियर सिम्पटम और इरेग्युलर मेन्सेस एंड दॅट कम्स अप मच अर्लियर So ताज्या खातीर आमकां पयलीं मेळटा सो मेजर कन्सर्न विथ द फिमेल्स नाव अ डेज इज दिस PCOS. डायट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट इन PCOD पेशंट्स.
ओके आमचो कांदो हांगा कितलो बरो शिजलो पळोवया. टमॅटो हांगा सॉफ्ट जाल्ले आसा कांद्या बरोबर 5 मिनट. हय सो वी ॲड अ मॅक्रल. Mix them with the tomatoes and onion, a beetroot pulp, So now we'll add all the masalas one by one. First salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder. आता ही बीटरूटाची ग्रेव्ही आम्ही हातून घालया पल्प सो ताका उदक सुटता. So we have to cook this till it becomes nice and dry. So we are now cooking it on a high flame because we want to absorb all the water. So it is getting dry. So let's chop coriander. Lot of chopped coriander and lemon juice. It has become totally dry and this is done. Our mackerel and beetroot mixture is ready. Now these are the brown bread toast which are cut into squares. So what we are going to do is we are going to put a spoonful of this mixture. Some carrots we are going to garnish it with and olive. Our first recipe of the day is done. Mackerel and beetroot tiny bites. Our second recipe of the day is chicken and apple salad. Let us note down the ingredient first. This is half a breast of chicken. I have used Ambika chicken, which is a steroid free chicken. I have boiled it in water and salt and shredded the chicken. It is a half a breast of chicken. 1 apple which is diced, half cup of green and yellow bell peppers, pomegranate 1/4 cup, 1 medium onion. Now this onion petals we have separated, 1 medium tomato chopped, 1/4 cup of sweet corns. These are some of the red grapes which are cut into 4 pieces. These are around 6 red grapes, big one. Celery 1 tablespoon finely chopped, juice of 1 lemon, couple of olives for garnishing, salt to taste and parsley, chopped parsley. Now how we are going to start it? We are going to add all the ingredients one by one and we are going to mix it. Bell peppers, onion, tomatoes, sweet corns, grapes, pomegranate, apple and shredded chicken. Now doctor, usually salads are the most beneficial for the health. They say it has a lot of fiber content and especially
for the skin.
Yes, for the skin.
Yes, they do. They should be a part of each one's diet every day. Regularly had a good fiber gives a good, avoids constipation and also helps in retaining the water, so gives a glowing skin.
So it is one of the best meals which you can have, especially as a dinner. A very light meal. Now we are going to add some salt. Lemon juice. Finely chopped celery. Parsley. And chopped olives. And we are going to give it a nice big mix. Like you said, bright vegetables we should eat.
Fresh.
Yeah.
Fresh.
There is high content of vitamin A, beta carotene.
Correct.
Okay, doctor, one more thing, very important thing, use of cosmetics. सगळ्यात चलयांक सुंदर दिसपाक आवडटा. So what is the role cosmetic plays in acne prone skin?
Cosmetics, if used wrongly, जाल्यार it can lead to flare-ups because most of the creams that are available, the moisturizing creams, तातून oil असता, it's oil in oil combination. So these blocks the pores and leads to flare-up, breakouts. So cosmetics in acne patient have to be used very wisely. Gel-based creams, sunscreen especially, makeup has to be, base coat has to be applied. So it has to be very carefully selected also and used wisely.
So our salad is also ready, very quick and very healthy. So today's second recipe, chicken and apple salad, is ready for you.
आमच्या दोन्ही रेसिपीज तयार आणि खावपाक आम्ही बी तयार. डॉक्टर प्लीज.
It's very tasty and refreshing.
Top part is soft and bottom part is crunchy. Perfect combination. Very nice. Thank you, Dimple. Director of Ambika Chicken, Mr. Samir Punkarikar, is with us today. I request you, sir, to please come over here and present the gift hamper to our today's guest, Dr. Agrita Kamath. Sir, please.
Thank you, doctor. Dear viewers, my name is Samir Punkarikar, Director of Ambika Chicken. Today I would like to share my personal story. Recently my father passed away and he was suffering from the diabetes. The last 4 months were the most difficult and most suffered by my father because he cannot eat the food what he liked. And always the doctor has to say not to eat the food which he likes, especially the chicken. And I really appreciate the effort of madam and the other people and Mr. Sagar also to making this show happen. And we can do a lot of things like when our own loved people, when they suffer and we cannot give the food what they want. Now we have understood like how we can give them the food what they like and they can live the good life. Thank you very much.
Dimple ji, we prepared so many recipes here and I think people love to watch it. So what would you say?
First of all, I would like to thank all the doctors who came on our show, who shared their valuable time, their valuable knowledge with us. And secondly, I would like to thank all our viewers. We got an overwhelming response from all our viewers. So I have created a lot more recipes, healthy recipes, which are good for all these diseases. So you can come to Orchid, you can visit Orchid, you can call us for the more information.
या एपिसोडाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आम्ही हेल्दी आहारासंबंधी बरीचशी माहिती तुमच्यापर्यंत पावपाचो ल्हानसो यत्न केलो. ताका तुम्ही भरभरून दादय दिली. तुमच्या प्रेमा खातीर अंबिका चिकन फूड अँड हेल्थ शोच्या आमच्या पूर्ण टीमच्या वतीन मनाकाजांतल्यान दिनवाजता. दिस शो वॉज पावर्ड बाय ऑर्किड लर्निंग सेंटर अँड चौगुले सेंटर फॉर अप्लायड अँड प्रोफेशनल स्टडीज. परत मेळया अजूनही बऱ्यो रेसिपीज घेऊन पुढच्या एपिसोडात. टिल देन, eat healthy to be truly wealthy.